Hi, I'm Jackson Forrester. I'm in this grade 11 chemistry class with Madame Harold, and today we are doing a science experiment.
Right now we're studying the decomposition of sodium bicarbonate and being able to tell what products are actually going to form based on stoichiometry, so they're able to weigh their initial product and weigh their final product and be able to tell what actually chemically is happening there.
C'est vraiment intéressant parce que l'équipement est tout là et comme tu peux voir, et c'est vraiment intéressant à voir et ça fait les explications plus faciles à cause du fait que tu peux voir une démonstration sans besoin d'aller à un autre labo quelque part d'autre.
We have a Bunsen burner, and then we put some high-grade baking soda in it, and what we're doing is we're heating it up, and we're comparing the weight of it like before it was heated up and after it was heated up to see if it goes down, goes up, what changes.
A thing that I found interesting and kind of useful is like the laws of gases and just learning like the general idea of how like substances and like the mass they occupy and things like that. It's interesting because you can look at some like real life things and realize, oh, so that's why this happens and things like that.
I didn't know it was the first one in 50 years. That's pretty brutal, but no, it's a great lab. It took a little while to get the gas going at the start of the year, but we got it figured out, so that was pretty sweet. Just in time for our first experiment, actually, so that was nice. And we got a bunch of new equipment like with it. Like we got new Bunsen burners, we got new beakers, we got new glasses. Yeah, there's a bunch of new stuff. A nice vent hood, some scales like that can weigh a little bit more precisely for experiments. So yeah, a bunch of cool new stuff.
So being able to have a newer lab, especially with the high school getting more and more students every year, we were pressed for space before, but now we have the ability to offer even more science classes, ones we haven't offered before. It gives students a chance to actually be able to participate in these labs, which is really important to try and get them engaged into science and being able to actually see what they're doing and not just learning it on paper.
I think it's way more fun than just taking notes and doing tests, so for me, I love it. It's a different type of way to show how you're learning, to be able to write stuff down and to be able to show that you can like do it in practice, I think.
I see a lot more engagement with what we're doing in class and a lot of understanding of how these concepts really apply and how they're able to use them, and a lot more interest in wanting to study science further because they're able to do such hands-on work.